Welcome to Thrifty Tashi. Today I'm sharing my 2021 fall home tour. I kept everything quite simple, to be honest. I don't like to overclutter my home anymore, even when I'm decorating for the seasons. So here is an overview of my living room and dining room space. These are the key areas that I decorate. And here on my coffee table, I have this thrifted lantern, which I just think is so cute. I love to add just simple fall decor pieces on the inside with a candle, and at nighttime it gives this beautiful glow effect. I'm focusing on just keeping everything simple and having bold pieces, especially in a small space, so I don't overclutter my home. So here in this area is my favorite nook area. I love to read the Bible or simply talk on the phone. So here you see this beautiful fall pillow that I purchased from Home Goods. It came in a pack of 2, and again, those neutral colors. I just love that classic country look. And above the chair, I have this beautiful country scenery that I got off an Etsy shop. I'm not sure of the seller name, but I'll link everything below, and also got it framed from a company, which again I will link below. I just love the country sceneries because it reminds me of my family. Now here is just a beautiful thrifted frame. It says grandmothers are a special part of growing up. I was such a grandma girl, and I just simply added that pumpkin there. And yeah, just touches of fall here and there. I have that extra pillow right there that I got from Home Goods, and I added this striped pillow over there. Now here in this area is the hallway table. I pretty much keep these books of the Bible year round with these vintage rooster bookends, which I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace, and I just think it's so country and unique. I love that. And at the bottom I have a group of pumpkins. Can y'all tell which one is the real one? Let me know in the comments. But this is just pretty much how I keep everything quite simple, like I said, for the fall season, and my home still feels warm and cozy. So I've learned you don't need to overdo it. So in the dining room, everything is still simple. I have the sunflowers in a beautiful vase, and this candle right here is what I created. My husband and I, we spent our anniversary in Orlando making scented candles, and mine is called Homemade Delight, which has all of the fall scents that you could think of in this one candle, and I'll link that video above if y'all interested. But I do a lot of prep work here on my table, so I don't want anything to clutter it. And to finally reveal to y'all the DIY plate gallery wall my husband and I put together, which I absolutely love it. It's just so unique and it's so me. I love just collecting these plates as I thrift shop, and it was just fun putting it together. So here is the reveal, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments. I just love it. Every day I walk past it, I look at it. So y'all, that's pretty much it with my fall home tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite part about my tour. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around and subscribe and give this video some extra love. Y'all take care now. I'll chat with y'all in the next video.